Okay, so you guys, I'm sitting here and trying to think about how to organize this closet. Ugh, really just don't know how I'm gonna do this. So yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B and I cover all things home decor, home organization, and lifestyle. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new and like this video. So this video is a part 2 to the part 1 of how to organize your storage closet. So if you haven't seen that video yet, be sure to check that out before checking this video out. Today's video is going to be focused on implementing an actual system in a small storage closet. I would like to mention that this was very difficult for me to come up with the best system for the things that I had in the closet, but I was able to figure it out. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, we got this. I think I figured out my layout for the organization in the storage closet. All right, so here's the setup that I have right now. I'm gonna add one more bin on top of here. And then I have some ideas in regards to how I want to kind of set up the wrapping paper in the bows that I have. I usually have a lot of stuff. Oh, and I have like tissue paper. So I kind of want to, I don't know, I kind of want to set this up really nicely in here. It doesn't have to be super fancy, but something that is functional, but also nice. I kind of want to have like a little, I don't know, like a little gift wrapping, like little station where I put all of my gift wrap. But I am going to start just putting things back into the bins, and then obviously there are some things I need to get tomorrow, so I'll get that tomorrow and take you guys through that process. I'll probably just order something curbside and pick it up. But yeah, let's get started.
So I am just taking all of the items that I categorized before and putting them into bins. Bins are a really nice way to collate all of the items that you have in a storage closet and keep them very nice and neat, especially within a small storage closet. I found that this worked best for me when trying to figure out a system for the closet. So right now I am just placing everything, like I said, back into the bins and then placing the bedding on the top shelf as well.
Like I said, I was gonna get like a little bin, a gray bin, so I got this from Target. And then I got these 2 little bins to go inside of this bin because I'm gonna be putting all of my like podcasting and just kind of camera equipment in here. So I wanted to kind of have those, I don't know, it's a lot of wires and a lot of stuff going on with the equipment. So I wanna have them kind of, you know, just organized within the bin. So I got those 2 bins from Target as well. I actually may go get some more of those depending if I need more. We'll see how this goes. I also got this handy laundry kind of bag storage holder. So I saw this idea on Pinterest to essentially put your wrapping paper in a bag storage holder, which I thought was pretty clever because I was looking for a way to just have the wrapping paper somewhat mounted on the wall and just not like, I don't want it on the floor because it unravels easily. Like I want it kind of to be mounted. That way it could just be kind of in its own like little compartment and it won't tear easily. So I found this, so I'm gonna mount this to the wall. They have like some sticky paper on the back of it, so I'll probably just stick it to the wall. If not, there's some screws. So I'm gonna try to avoid the screw route as much as possible because it shouldn't be too heavy, but if I have to, I'll screw it to the wall. It's not a big deal. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this and I'll show you guys how that goes and put the wrapping paper in, or just any other kind of like, if you know, holiday stuff, and this like little like mounted bag storage holder. So I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the organizational project. I'm going to, like I said, organize the equipment stuff. So I'll show you that and give you some tips to do that as well, because with like a lot of like loose equipment, like, you know, just different like cords and headphones or whatever, it can get really difficult to organize that stuff. So I'll show you guys my process with that, how I label that and how I label the rest of the bins and mount this. And yeah, then I'll give you guys the reveal. So let's get into it.
So this was the last bin that I organized in my storage closet, and this bin contained every technical piece of equipment that I use for podcasting or for my YouTube channel. So it was definitely difficult to organize this bin because there were a lot of loose cords, headphones, anything that you can think of in regards to technical equipment, you name it, it was in this bin. So what I'm doing right now is I am essentially taking all of the cords that I use for my podcasting, and I just literally just raveled them up into a little nice roll and placed them into one of the smaller bins. These smaller bins were lifesavers, so I definitely recommend, if you have a lot of loose equipment like I do, or technical equipment, or just any type of piece of technology, to get some of these smaller bins too, to kind of make further categories into a bigger bin, because just dumping this into one big bin will still make it hard to find the things that you need when you need it. So I definitely recommend getting these smaller bins. I got this bin from Target, so I'll make sure to link this product down below if you're interested, but definitely consider doing this when organizing loose equipment.
All right guys, so I'm gonna make labels for the small bins and the bigger bin. So I'm gonna use my labeling machine to do that, and then use my Cricut machine. Or maybe I'll just do my labeling machine for these. I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably just do my labeling machine for the rest of the bins, because I don't really want it to be super visible. I just want it big enough to where I can see. And you know, in the future I probably will change out these bins anyway, so this is just temporary, so these labels will have to do for now. I am going to do my labeling really quick, and I'll show you guys that, and then I'll move on to mounting the plastic bag holder for the gift wrapping paper. So let's make some labels. You guys, I feel like this is so tacky. The colors, like red, dark gray, light gray. Like what? I could have sworn that these two grays were about the same, and I thought I got this one from Target originally, but obviously I didn't. So yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna deal with it. Yeah, it's just gonna have to be okay for now. It's probably just a temporary solution for now, but you know, hey, I'm okay with it. It's fine. It's just a storage closet, even though it's bothering me that they are 3 different colors. Oh, that's gonna bother me, but whatever, I don't care. So you guys, I thought this was so cute. So the bag that the bows were originally in, they kept, like, the bag was broken. They kept falling out the bag when I put them in the bin. So I found this clear bin that I had in the house from my pantry refresh that, you know, I'm just not using anymore, and I thought they fit perfectly. I love this. So I am just going to stick it in the bin. It fits perfect, and that way I can like come in here, and if I need, you know, bows and I'm wrapping, just kind of pick it out. There you go. And I actually need one because I'm gonna wrap a gift, so I love that. It's really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put up the bag storage holder so we can put the gift wrapping paper in this. And it looks like you can just stick the storage holder on the wall, so that's good, because I definitely didn't want to mount it. Hopefully it sticks to this wall. We'll see what happens, but I'm gonna assemble this really quick and then put it on the wall. All right, so I got this up now. Now I'm going to mount this on the wall, and I'm going to take off the little sticky things on the back of the holder. All right, that's perfect. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's in there pretty good. The sticky things actually work really, really well. So if you don't really want it to be permanent, if you're in an apartment, or you just kind of just don't want to be permanent, whether you're in a home anyway, you can definitely use the sticky, like, little things on the back of the holder. So the idea that I got inspired from Pinterest, which I'm gonna put on the screen right here, is for the gift wrapping paper, like I said before, to be in this little bag holder. So obviously how I'm using it is not for the original purpose that it's sold for, but you know, I really love this idea for this space right now. I have 3 rolls of wrapping paper and I'm gonna stick them in this thing. Honestly, like, it'll keep it off of the floor, prevent it from ripping, and keep the roll a lot tighter, because when you just kind of stick it on the floor, I feel like the roll definitely just kind of unravels a lot faster. So this will kind of keep everything more confined, tighter in this place. So I'm gonna put them in here. I love this. Oh my gosh. Shout out to Pinterest. I love this idea. Like, this is so functional. I love this. And even though the bins are kind of bothering me, I'm not gonna lie, like, the Capricorn in me is like, I want to go back to Target and buy gray bins to match the one that I have. So I might do that, I don't know, but I'm just glad that everything is just organized and in its place. So I'm gonna show you guys the final reveal of my storage closet now.
Before, my storage closet was a dumping grounds for any and everything to be just thrown in the closet without a place or a home. Although I wasn't able to reach the aesthetic that I wanted for this storage closet, now is a place where I can actually find things and it is practical and functional. So I absolutely love it.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to comment down below in the comment box and let me know what type of projects you guys have been tackling during this quarantine, and as well as the spring cleaning season, because I have a little bug right now and you guys know what's next. I'll probably actually do a video organizing our closet, so stay tuned for that. You know what's next, so stay tuned for that video. It's coming very, very soon. Very soon. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification as well so you can get the notification post for that video. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.